Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom theme for your Chrome browser. So here, as you guys can see, I have this theme on my Chrome browser. And if you are wondering where you can get this theme, you can just follow my step here. First, open your browser and here on the home page, you can see at the bottom right corner, there will be this pencil icon that you can click and you'll see this customize Chrome panel. So what you need to do is just click on change theme. Here you can select from here the themes category, or you can also scroll down until you find the Chrome Web Store. You can click on it, and in here in the Chrome Web Store.google.com, you'll see there's a theme. There are lots of themes options that you can choose to customize your Chrome. And there are also some category in here. There's this dark and black themes, autumn hues. There's this space exploration, winter, or a Native American artist series. So you can just choose the uh, theme that you want, that you like. You can also see the category in here. For example, I'm going to click, let's try to find entertainment. You can see there's this Deadpool, Black Panther theme, the lantern. So you can just choose which one for your Chrome theme. For example, in here, I'm going to just add, I think I like this one, the Winnie the Pooh theme, the yellow one. Let's just click on it. And in here, you can just tap on this, add to Chrome. Now it has been added and it will be automatically apply the theme. You can see when you open a new tab, and there will be this cute little Winnie the Pooh theme for my browser. So that's all from me. That's how you can customize your browser. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.